wonder how much YouTube pays for 3,000 views? Then don't worry, today I'm going to show you how much YouTube pays for 3,000 views. The fact that I'm doing what I love and it's paying me, it means a lot to me. Hey guys, if you're new here, my name is Rachel Nabon, and on this channel I share social media tips, how to grow your online business, and every other thing in between. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you how much YouTube paid me for one of my videos that hit 3,000 views. I'm going to show you everything that is involved, the factors that led to them paying me that amount, the CPM, and every other thing that you need to know about. So I noticed that on YouTube, we see a lot of big creators coming to talk about how much they are being paid for 1 million views, 50,000 views, 100,000 views, and they never talk about how much they get paid for lower views. So this is really going to be of help to YouTube creators, small creators like us. I have just 5,000 subscribers and we all are small creators. We need to know how much we are being paid by YouTube for some certain views. So I'm starting with my recent video that hits 3,000 views to know how much YouTube pays for it. So I'm going to take you down to my phone screen now, where I will show you how this magic works. Make sure you watch to the end. Don't skip any part of it because it's going to help you. Okay, so here's my phone screen. Here is the video analytics. This is the analytics of this particular video, like everything about the performance of this video, how it's going, right? So for clarity's sake, I want to make this point. This video didn't go viral or didn't start trending immediately I posted it. To an extent, I even wanted to take down the video because the first month I had less than 50 views on the video, and I was like, why? This is a topic that everyone is looking out for, and I wanted to take it down. I even have to upload another video, but at some point I paused that other video and say, let me just allow this over time. It's my blow. So luckily it started going viral a month later. So I wasn't making anything on this video the first month I posted it. I think I made only $3 the first month I posted this particular video. Mind you, as at when I'm making this video, it has 3K views. So let me explain more to you. Remember, I want to show you how much I made on a 3,000 views video. Okay, so here's the analytics of the video. The reach of this video, right? Impression is 29.2K, right, which is good. The views is 3.1 thousand, and unique viewers, that is new people that found this video that are not my subscribers, are 2.4K viewers. There are 2.4K, yeah. So that is how it works. How do people find this my video? Through suggested videos, like YouTube suggested my video, YouTube search features, browse features, and other. If you see suggested video, have 38.7% of suggested video. One thing is that when you post your video, right, just be praying that YouTube should pick up any of your video, and that is how your channel can blow. That is how you can get all the subscribers, the watch hours you're looking out for, if YouTube just picked one of your video. So this video I got the viewers found me through suggested video. That's YouTube suggested my videos to them. That's why I got more view. Also other search features like YouTube search, browse features, other YouTube and direct and unknown direct stuff. Yeah, so that's how they found my video, and the impression is 28.5K, right? 70% from YouTube recommending your content. Yeah, so 70% of the impression I got was from YouTube recommending my content. So that's how it works. It's really, really nice. So the watch time I got from the impression is 156. Okay, so the external apps that people came from to watch my videos are WhatsApp, Facebook, Linktree, and all of that, which is to say that you should always promote your video so you can get viewers from there. 19% from my WhatsApp status, Google search, WhatsApp, and Linktree. Okay, all right, let's move down to content that are suggesting this my video. content that are suggesting is my video are how to create international TikTok account. Like after they finish watching other people's own, I get it. Then there are some questions I also answer. That video too also suggested this video, and the terms, like the terms that is suggesting this video is TikTok monetization, how to monetize your TikTok account, and all of that. Okay, so let's move down to the engagement, right? A lot of people like the video, like 98.8% of people like the video. Nobody disliked the video. Everyone loved the video. And also we move down to the audience. Who are those watching this video? Okay, who are those watching this video? Returning viewers, that's those that have subscribed to my channel before, as 168 of them came back to watch this video. Those that are visitors, like visitors to the to my channel, 2.4k, that's 2,400,000 people. They are unique viewers. So if you're among these unique viewers and you've not subscribed to the channel, do well to subscribe and join the family. You will enjoy everything I post here. Okay, so how many subscribers did I get from this particular video? I got 135 subscribers. So as at when I've made this video, I've gotten 135 subscribers from this particular video, only this video, right? Okay, so both male and female are watching the video. Have more of male watching the video, and 47% of female. Then who are those in the age range watching this video? You have 18 to 24, 50%, 24 to 35, 50%, which means is the youth, young adults that are watching this particular video, because they are the ones on TikTok more. Okay, that means from 18 to 34 years are those watching this video. Okay, so top topography, we have more of Nigerians watching this content, 1% of Ghanaians, United States 0.4%, and United Kingdom 0.4%, right? So that is all about that. Okay, let's move down to the revenue, as that's when I made this video. So here is showing revenue from 7th March to now, $16. Yeah, $16. So what I've made from my 3k views on this particular video is $16. It might sound small in your ear, it might sound big in some people's ear, but to me it means a lot to me, right? It means a lot to me, and it means a lot to me because if I didn't post this on YouTube, nobody would just come and dash me $16 like that. So the fact that I'm doing what I love and it's paying me, it means a lot to me. And this is how I'm making this video, for you to understand, because a lot of persons don't talk about how much they get paid on smaller views. We see more of millions of views online and stuff like that, but I want to just show you how this thing works, right? So right now I have $16. I'm going to explain to you the reason why I got that amount on this video. There are a lot of factors that could determine how much you earn on a video. The location of people watching your videos can determine that. If you have more people from the United States, United Kingdom watching your video, you tend to earn higher compared to when you have people from African countries watching your videos, like Nigeria, Ghana. You have less views. So if you're creating the content, it should be a content that everybody can watch. I mean, people from different countries can watch, so that you earn more. If this video was a video that has more view from United States, I would have earned more than this. The second factor is how much advertisers are ready to pay to advertise on that video. Okay, if you don't understand how this YouTube thing works, advertisers pays Google to advertise their business. So Google partner with creators like us, and they place these ads on the video. That's the reason why you see ads on people's video, right? So they just get a portion. We don't get all of the money that the advertisers pay, right? We don't get all of those money. We just get a portion of it, and that is what happened here. Looking at the video, revenue for every 1k views. So for every 1k view I get on this video, I'm being paid $5.4. $5.4. That is how much I get paid for the video. but what advertisers are paying for this particular video is $7.46 dollars. So YouTube shares this and pays me 5.6 dollars on every 1,000 views. So every 1,000 persons that watch this video, I get paid 5.6, and it's a good one. It's really nice. There are some that you even get paid $2. I think the highest I have is $11 on one of my videos that I might do a review about. If you want that, just let me know. Okay, so that is all I said. Let me tell you about, that is all about how much I get paid for 3,000 views on this particular video. $16, and that's a lot, right? That means a lot to me. Okay, so I have to stop here. If you have any questions, if you have any video requests, just let me know in the comments.